So hello guys, today I'm looking at this 2013 IMPREZA. IMPREZA is a 2013, yeah, limited edition. It's an STI fully equipped. What? You guys, did you hear that? Full ray. Okay. It's fully equipped with full 257 EJ257 turbos. And with intercoolers, with big turbos. Turbos are really big, like the size of my head, yeah? You get it? So yeah, the MZ is here, but we are not looking at the MZ today, so we're looking at this car. So yeah, so I'm going to walk you around this car. It's a really nice car. We need to look at it like in every way. So I'm going to show you the outside first, and I'll show you the rest of the car later. Yeah, let me show you around there. Yeah, don't worry, this is my YouTube channel, my first YouTube channel. I'm trying to like get experience of how to record shit. So it has cool lights with a Grundy intercooler. I can get you a sneak peek of the engine. This is the engine over here. Look at that turbo, so massive, man. Look, I hope you guys can see well. Let me try focus. Yeah, there. You see the turbo, yeah, and then we have the like pipe going through over there, sugaring like that. This engine is really equipped. The 257 is really equipped. Yeah, you can see the grim speed. I don't know what's that. It's a grim speed over there. Yeah, it's a SUBARU guy. It's really wide. Look at that. From here to here, you can compare with this one. This one is a bit small. This one is too wide with Dyno wheels. Some, I think, are those Brembos? I think they're Brembos. Yeah. Some good Aussie rims, Aussie racing rims. It's an STI, of course. Oh yeah, they're slotted as well, though. Let me try focus. Yeah, they're slotted. Everything is slotted. Yeah, so it's an STI, of course. Yeah, this car. Okay, this car is it came here like 2 days ago, and I really needed to make my first content. So please subscribe to get full Nini. So the rear wheel is quite big. Is bigger than the rear wheel. I mean the front wheel is smaller than the rear wheel. The rear wheel is quite big. I don't know the dimensions of this car. Let me just try and look for it. It's not written like the size. I don't know if it's written the size. Oh, it's a 265 35 ZR18 19W. You can see it here. Yeah. We have what else should I show you? It's tinted, of course. It's tinted the front. Everything is tinted. That's the side of the car. My car is quite clear, so I can't get inside here. I'll show you the best of it. I can show you the rear. I can show you the rear of this car. It's tinted. It's tinted the rear lights, and yeah. It's tinted the rear lights, and yeah, that's it.